Welcome to the Big R Family YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is day 2 in our camping in Oyen. Enjoy watching! Good morning, sunshine! Happy birthday, Mama Joy! Coffee time! Coffee ko? Coffee mo? Huh? Coffee ko? Coffee mo?
Copy ng lahat.
Coffee ng lahat. Thank you, Lord, for a beautiful day. Good morning, Oyen. Diba? Windy nga lang. Wow, relax, relax pag may time. Relax, relax. Wala kaming kasama dito. We're the only one in the campground. See? Nobody here. Just us. Solo ang campground. This is a nice campground. It's quiet. And then washrooms are over there. The swimming pool. And then pwede kang mag Yellowstone effect dyan. Wow. Yeah. Very nice. It's a quiet, windy morning. Day 2. Charot, para namang magtatagal. Tomorrow, uwian na. Breakfast time. Let's go check out the breakfast. Let's go. Breakfast natin, guys. By the Abanto sponsor. Pancake, egg, corned beef. Wow, this is the best. And sausage. Ready na ang ating breakfast. Hinihintay na lang si Tito and Gora. Wow! Fried rice, champurrado. Courtesy of
Nina. Kami.
So fast. Oh, wala akong kasama. Nasaan yung kasama ko? So windy. Yeah. Birthday girl. Hey, bap, da da do bap, do bap, do. Hey, bap, do bap, do bap, do. Hey, wow, concert. Bap, go. You got a big fish. Oh. 1, 2, 3, go. Bap. Do bap. Do. Hey, yeah. Nabal na. You don't know what.
Scatter, those who were scattered. Whatever.
Happy birthday! pa-birthday si Nana. Oh, Oreo. Oh. Oh. To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hip hip hooray! Yay! Yay! Oh, light! Oh, isa ng kembot naman ng pang 40 years old dyan, oh! 40 years old? Yes! Wow, 39! Patintero kami, guys. Mas is a mas kasi maalikabok. You know? I'm so sensitive. Charot. Oh, boys versus girls patintero. Oh my God. Sinong mananala? Let's see.
Gaganyan po para matumpak. Oh, dang ka lang ate, dang ka lang. Nakalikod mo, tingnan mo. Oh my God.
Okay, day 2 in the swimming pool. Oh, good. Shirley McClellan Aquatic Center. Ayan ang mga ano, mga the boys, mga daddies. Go, go, go. Ayan, tapos na ang ligo. Mga pagod, mga gutom. Hello. Refresh and hot. Pang kami nga udong na kunada. Oh, diba ang daming dala. Mga pagod na. Siguro naman merong naka-reading ano dyan. At mga gutom na itong mga itis. Okay, we're gonna have hot pot. Yeah, see you later.
Yeah, so this price over.
Happy birthday to you. Let's eat. Sarap. What is that? Oh. Siesta time. Siesta. Oh, diba? Tulog na kanya-kanya. Oh. Ando sa dulo. Ay, hindi makita yung Open mo. Dahil bigyan mo ako. There's thunderstorm coming. Oh no. We're gonna have a mass. Welcome to Oyen Church. Oh, ayan na ang thunderstorm. Ihangin mo. Oh, ay. Ayan na ang thunderstorm. Wag naman, ihangin mo. Go away. Rain, go away. Day 2, night 2. Ano ang ating menu? Ano ang menu ng mga dads?
Pinakbat.
Pinakbat.
Yung barbecue.
And barbecue. Anong meron dito? Anong kaganapan to? Ito na ang pinakbat.
Isra pa nga po kaming dalaga.
And barbecue. Ayan na ang hangin. Magtrapal na tayo. Ayan na ang ulan.
Wala. Tapos sa angin, may tayab mamangin.
Ano ba yan?
Sa angin na nga eh. Baka pat tumayab pati ate ko an.
Ano ba yan? Ayan na ang hangin. Busy sila doon. Busy. Oh, dito naman. Mga batutay. Ayan na.
Meron naksan sa barbecue nun.
We're all covered.
Nasa...
Mayat ka no? Nagpuraumat.
Hanggang sa likod, yata. Huwag ka nang magsombrero kasi meron ka nang upudi.
Oh, ayan na. Ay, shocking!
Ay, nakita ba yung obet ko?
Shocking! Shockers! Ano ba yan? Oh my gosh! Ayan. Ayan na! Oh!
Mato ko na.
Ayan na.
Baliktad ko hangin na.
Grabe. Oh my gosh. Oh! Ayan na.
Ito, nagkatan. Jai, atak
Pinulan na ang ating camping. Kahit umuulan, mag-barbecue tayo. Basa na. Linak na yun. Oh.
Yung unang likod ko na lang paglagaan.
Kain na tayo kahit umuulan. Ayan na naman ang kulog. tayo. Update sa ulan. Ayan na.
Oh my God, parang horror movie yan.
May update. Ayan na.
Father, tayo ginaalamang mo, Father.
Yung alamang mo po. Ay, 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 oh.
Mga J, kuha na din na eh.
Ay, 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 ay.
Nakaangat di pa na eh.
Ay, ay, ay. Ang lakas ng hangin, ng lamig-lamig na.
Hindi na lahat. After ng ano.
Ayan na. Maliwanag na doon. Oh my. Dito naman. Tapos na doon. Dito na lang. Ayan na, nagbaha na dyan. Rain, rain, go away. Come next year. At we are so wet na. Mga basang sisiw. Look at that. 360. Oh, ganda na doon. Ay, tumutulo. Tayo.
Birthday ko.
Oh.
Ako na lang
Still, still a birthday celebration. Diba? Look at the weather. Update ng weather forecast. Yeah. Malamig, malamig, malamig.
Kailan ngayon?
Tapon ng basura.
Ay, sila. Pati pa.
Ay, ay, ay.
Kita na nila yan.
Hindi
Pampalipas oras. Good morning, sunshine. It's Sunday. Time to go home. It's cold. Look at that. We survived the night of rain. Thank you, Lord, for another day. See, we're the only one, plus that one, who just came the other, or yesterday. Oh. I'm gonna go to the washroom, which is over there. Oh, good morning, Oyen. Look at this. That was a lot of rain. A lot of rain, but we survived. Ayan na. First camping of the season. Hoping there's more to come. More camping. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. With Teamtiu and the Wilson Squad's vlog, the Big Otter family. Kain na po kayo. Breakfast na. Breakfast.
Kulapit dapat eh.
Uwian na. Pack up na tayo. Pack up, pack up. Pack up na tayo. At parang makulimlim na naman. Okay. It's good. Oh, pinapatuyo yung ano dun. Okay. We need to dry. Ayan na naman ang ulan. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ay, 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 ay. Getting ready to go home na guys. Kailangan ipatuyo ang mga tent. Ayan, oh. Papatuyo na. Ayan na naman ang ulan. OMG. Wow. It's a party here. It's a party. car party. Oh, wala na, empty na. Okay, bye Oyen. We had a good time kahit inulan kami. Okay. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Charot. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, bye. They're stuck.
Ay, daan ng daat mo na ako.
So all the girls are there. There was a tornado here?
No, I mean this is the town of Oyen. Oh, ayan yung mini motel. Huh?
Yan.
Oh, yan oh, mini
That's
motel. Yeah.
What?
See? Oh, town of Oyen, public works. Oh, town of Oyen pump station. This is it. Oh. It's cute. It's cute. Oh, look up, look.
Whoa. Whoa. That's so nice. Yeah.
So we're going down. Town of Drumheller. There's Walmart in Drumheller.
Sorry, yes. Sila nakapark. Ayun.
Oh my gosh! Hello! We're stopping by here at Drumheller because it's been 84 years na kaming hindi nagpicture dito. We wanna have an updated picture. Okay? Okay, picture! Ang lamig naman! Oh my gosh! Ang lamig naman! Okay, let's go! Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so windy. Oh my gosh. Okay, bye, Drumheller.